Hello folks, thanks for joining me today. What I'm going to be doing today is scroll sawing. I'm going to be making this little lidded box. I think it's a Celtic design, I'm not 100% sure, but I've got a piece of mahogany, and then underneath that there's going to be a piece of oak. So once that's cut out, you're going to see the oak, the white of the oak through there, and you've got the bottom, which is going to be the mahogany, and then SAPELE for the middle ring. This design can be found on the Steve Good website. I'll leave links to the description down below, and we'll crack on with it. As you can see, it's t-shirt weather here in England at the minute. Last week it was freezing cold and we had the heater on in the shed. This week we've got t-shirts on again, but all that could change overnight. But let's crack on with it and get it done. Right, as you can see, finish that little box now. Nice little grain pattern on that inside piece. Nice and smooth all the way around. It's a nice little trinket box, that. About 1.5 inches tall. But, I had a slight problem with the SAPELE on this. The SAPELE I've got is like that, and there's like comes off in like paper sheets. So when I'd cut the box out, it had a big crack all the way through it, so I had to glue it. And there is one part of it, if I can just find it. I can't actually see it now, I've put the oil on it. But the crack was all the way up there, and it was about that deep into the SAPELE. But that peels off. There's another slight little crack on the inside, I've just noticed there. But I think it should be okay with, yeah, there, see. I don't know if you can just make that out. There's a hairline crack in it. But it doesn't come through to this side, so it's just on the inside. But, yeah, like you've just seen, it's had a coat of linseed oil. It's all lovely and smooth. I just give the edges a light rounding over. But I think if I did make another one, I wouldn't use the SAPELE, or if I did use the SAPELE, I'd make it slightly thicker. That's probably 1/8 of an inch side wall on that. I'd probably make it 1/4 of an inch. Just to try and avoid that peeling sort of thing what I just explained to you, because that's SAPELE, it is nice wood, but like I say, it just got lost in thought there a minute. Yeah, it's come out nice. Like I say, it's a Steve Good pattern. Jump on his channel and check his channel out, and jump on his blog page. But that's everything for this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. I'm getting plenty of them lately. I don't know why, but thank you for watching my video anyway and giving it a thumbs down. I'll see you again soon with another project, hopefully. So have a good week and enjoy yourselves. Enjoy scrolling if you're scroll sawing, or enjoy making. And I'll see you again soon. Catch you later.